Good morning, Vietnam. I'm painting my shed today because it's I'm putting on a do, and I could really do with the shed not being fucked. So I'm going to try and paint it. I'm going to paint it, and then you're going to come with me, I guess. I have towels. I have a small tub of water. I can put that in. So I'm thinking I'm just going to try and do this wall and that wall, and then call it for today, and then I'll be back again another day. Stop rambling. Let's just get on with it, maybe. There's nothing. As you can tell, this shed has never been painted, so this will be the first thing it's ever had put on it. This shed, would you believe it, used to be the ticket office of Wookie Hole. The chap that owned the house before we did used to own Wookie Hole, basically. Don't know if he still does, but this shed came directly from there, so that's pretty cool. Can you even see what I'm doing? Maybe a bit. I literally just botched fixed. There was one of these little, like the boards had fallen through, and so I fixed that this afternoon. But yeah, so I'm hoping it's going to revitalise it a little bit. I don't even know why I'm doing this, because the shed is probably going to come down in a couple of months anyway. But as I said, it's my birthday due in a few weeks, and the shed has always been a very important part of any of the do's that we've had here. So I want it to, one, not stink, and two, just give it some life back, you know? We will see. Look at that, wow. I think I might leave these gaps. I don't know, it just gives it a bit of depth, doesn't it? Depth, does it?
No. Pretty Caroline, stone cold stunner. She was a winner, started working at the dime. Searches of her mind to count your blessings, 'cause it's telling fair. Put you down and leave you there, don't make them scared. Yeah, it's the ugly truth. How they coming for you. Yeah.
Follow me. Swish and flick.
Baby, you're wanted. Looking good for the movies.
It's going well. I need to get up above the electrical box now. Lucky I've got the world's longest arms. Oh, this chair does not feel safe. Oh hell yeah. This shed has seen so much stuff. Me and my boys were introduced to drinking here, amongst other things. So it's kind of sad, or it's bittersweet to be changing it up. Over the years, as we've started going to the pub more and doing less here, it's just become more of a storage thing, which kind of makes sense because it is a shed, but it's kind of bittersweet. It's going to be the last time I have a big group of people over, you know, or a big group more than like. So this chair does not feel safe at all. And the Brodem's just got back. So Wagwan.
Hello.
Look slightly happy.
I will give me a shower and changed, and then on my way to the pub, and I'll give you a smile, yeah?
Bundle of joy, isn't he?
Wouldn't it be mad, like if we'd had a camera in here all these years, see some of the stupid shit that happened?
I think we'd probably both be in prison.
Quite, yeah, we'd be very incriminated by a lot of it. But like, what's that Michael Scott quote? I wish there was a way to tell you were in the good old days, or you were in the good times before they, left.
Yeah, it's like knowing when the last time you might do something is.
Oh, that'd be such a good idea. Get a load of Sharpies.
Yeah, I had already thought that, because there was, in previous years, we had that canvas.
Yeah,
everybody
that people just drew cocks on.
Yeah, there were some pretty good cocks
There
on
was some
it.
very good cocks on that. Alright, let me go shower and get changed and fuck off.
Yep.
Have a good one, bro.
In a bit.
In a bizzle.
Good morning, Kevs. It's the next day now. I am absolutely fucking hanging, but it's okay. This shit needs to get done. Let's crack on. I haven't actually been in the shed this morning, so this is kind of like the first reveal, see how patchy it is, how badly a job I've done of it. It's like my no exit sign. Pinched that a long time ago from a sign that was already fallen over, by the way, so don't get aggy with me in the comments. We ready? Okay. It definitely smells a lot better. That patch isn't ideal, but fingers crossed another coat or two might sort that out. I actually did quite a shit job really, didn't I? Oh well, it'll look alright It'll look alright eventually. But first, I need to get all this shit out to get to the next wall. But oh well, I don't really have a choice. So I guess let's get cracking.
It's the missed opportunity train. It only comes on a very blue moon. You think twice, and you missed it again. Waiting in line for the party to end. Guess you didn't get what they asked for. Not a genie in sight, that reality.
Small word of advice: don't nail a dartboard up through the face of it. Attach something to it, then do it.
Pretty Carolina, the stone cold stunner. She was a winner, started working at the diner. It serves as a reminder to count your
Only one survivor can go in the bin. Can go near the bin. I don't really know what the motive was with all the mirrors, because I remember putting this up, but I put that one in way too far, and it's getting out that I'm going to break the mirror. Ooh, shut me up a bit. We're about there, I think. Right, time for the paintings. I think as well, after everything she's been through, she deserves some tender love and bum stuff.
Huh?
Swish and flick.
Right, we're getting there. It's not looking too terrible. It doesn't look great, admittedly. Summer's coming in now, can start doing more shit, being more sociable and stuff, and hopefully, you know, things will start to get a bit brighter.
Well, yeah, well, this is it. You're going to have your parties, you know, the barbecue season's coming.
Yeah, man.
Like, we're going to be doing more stuff.
Yeah. So nice to talk to you, mate. It's really glad. I'm glad to hear you're all right.
Yeah, I'll see you in a bit, alright?
All right, Bella. Lot of love. See you later.
See ya.
That's one of my oldest and best friends. I haven't seen him for like the best part of a year. Life gets in the way. Shit gets too difficult. But it's all right. I'm gonna try and do something this week, so that's a really positive thing. If you've got an old friend that you haven't spoken to for a long time, give them a ring while you're doing something. Why not? Keep in touch with people. Something we so easily forget to do. It's also something that is so important for our own livelihoods. I'm going to do some more shifting of stuff now. I'm getting to the corner. Although it looks quite patchy at the moment, I'm pretty chuffed with how it's coming on. This is, you know, you need to do productive shit. I'm not going to turn this into like an inspirational thing. I'm going to stop. But it feels good to be doing something good. And that is the first coat done, and it looks so shit, but it's gonna be better, I promise. I'm alright with it. I'm alright with it. I don't mind. What I do mind is the fact that I've got to move all this shit back over here now. Fuck's sake, that is so time consuming. Second coat. Only got to do what I did yesterday and today again. Oh fuck, white is so hard to paint over. So hard to know where you have and haven't been. Maybe if I just do, if I come down to say here the whole way along, and then I can do the bottom just to where the towel is, maybe, I don't know. What the fuck? Oh my Christ. God, it's not doing anything for me, is it? I don't really know what I was expecting.
I can't see myself with anyone else.
I just hope you're happy.
First on the list with a pain in my heart. No matter what I'll do, I try not to fall apart. I can see you with anyone.
I've reached the point where I'm going to wait for this lot to be dry and then I'll crack on and do the rest of it, just because I want it to get properly there before I go and put the next coat on, obviously. If I do end up putting a sofa in here, it'll probably go there anyway, so that'll cover that up, and then maybe that side as well, I'll put like a throw up or something as well, I'm not sure. I really don't know, but by the end of this, it's gonna look fucking unreal. That's the plan, or as good as it can look. Fingers crossed. Yes, now, it is day 3, and it's absolutely hooning it down, so I really don't mind having to do this in the shed today, although I have left it quite late, it's about 5 PM. This is how we're looking. This wall with the second coat on actually looks pretty good now. Gutted about the wet spot down there, or the damp spot, but I just don't think there's anything I can really do about that. I'm going to chuck throws and posters and stuff over it, or a sofa next to it anyway, it doesn't really matter. So, yeah, I'm going to get everything moved, and then I'm going to start painting, doing the second coat on these 2 walls. That's the idea. I'm going to take this coat off.
There is room for you even if you let me down.
Straight up is ours.
When you see me, I know you may think that I'm falling apart, but I'll get back on my feet and I'll try to move away from it all. Do you feel alive when you say yourself? It's a long way down, but I feel alive. None of this will break my bones, but the memories behind me down. But I will let go. It is on my mind, and in this heart there is room for you even if you let me down.
Coat 2 done on all the walls. I'm hoping that when it dries it'll look better, but I don't know. I think these 2 walls got the worst of the damp, and so I think they were always going to be hardest to get covered up properly, especially because that side there's another wall the other side, and then this is all just exposed to the elements all the time. So I'm going to leave it for today now, I think, and then I'm going to see what it's looking like tomorrow, and then I'll decide if I want to do a third coat. I'm leaning towards there's no point, because I'll probably put shit up on the walls, so I think I'll probably leave it, but we'll see how things are looking tomorrow. So it's been a productive few days. I can't believe it's taken me 3 days to get this far, but I'm glad that it's pretty much there now. But I think over the next few days I'm going to need to try and plan out what I want to put in here, you know, how I want to decorate it so it's a bit more ready, you know. I'll be back in a minute, I'm sure.